Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Carotone Cream Face is probably one of the most sought-after skincare products for achieving a brighter, more even complexion, and in this video, we're diving deep into what makes this particular cream a standout choice for so many individuals looking to tackle hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and uneven skin tone. So if you're curious about whether Carotone Cream Face can deliver on its promises and transform your skin, stick around as we break down its key ingredients, benefits, and potential side effects to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. CeraVe Moisturizing Cream for Dry Skin. Discover the ultimate solution for dry skin. This rich cream provides long-lasting hydration, leaving your skin feeling soft and smooth all day. It's expertly crafted with hyaluronic acid and ceramides. These key ingredients work together to restore and maintain your skin's natural barrier. Experience a formula that's both gentle and effective. It's oil-free, fragrance-free, and non-comedogenic, making it suitable for daily use on both face and body. Make it a part of your daily skincare routine. This moisturizer helps to keep your skin healthy, comfortable, and deeply hydrated. With a generous 19-ounce size, you have plenty to nourish your entire body. Enjoy continuous comfort and relief from dryness. What we like. This cream is designed for ultimate hydration and skin barrier support. If you have very dry or sensitive skin, this is your go-to. Its fragrance-free and non-comedogenic formula makes it perfect for daily use without irritation. What people say. The texture is thick but not greasy. It's that perfect balance where it feels rich, but it absorbs surprisingly fast. My skin immediately felt softer, smoother, and actually hydrated, not just coated. The ceramides and hyaluronic acid make a noticeable difference. Instead of just sitting on top of my skin, it actually feels like it strengthens my skin barrier. It's rich and deeply hydrating without feeling greasy or heavy. It absorbs easily and keeps my skin soft and smooth all day long, even in dry weather. Within 2 days of use, it completely cleared my treatment-resistant dry skin. Number 4. Eva Naturals Vitamin C Serum for Face. Tired of dull skin and dark spots? Discover the power of our Vitamin C Serum, formulated to bring back your natural glow. It's time to achieve the clear, smooth complexion you deserve. Infused with potent vitamin C, this serum works to brighten your complexion and reduce the appearance of dark spots. Experience a visible transformation as it revitalizes your skin. Our advanced formula combines retinol and hyaluronic acid to combat signs of aging. It helps to smooth fine lines and deeply hydrate your skin for a youthful appearance. With niacinamide and salicylic acid, this serum targets blemishes and refines pores. Achieve a clearer, more even skin tone with every application. Specifically designed for women, this face serum is your secret weapon for achieving beautifully smooth skin. Embrace a complexion that feels as good as it looks. Unlock your skin's true potential with this all-in-one solution. It's time to achieve the radiant, healthy-looking skin you've always wanted. What we like. This serum is a powerhouse for anti-aging and brightening. If you're looking to combat dark spots and fine lines for a smoother, radiant complexion, this is the one. It's ideal for those seeking a multitasking serum to revitalize their skin. What people say. Calmed my skin down in a few days. A few days and I noticed all these tiny round pearl-like balls on my skin. The pores on forehead and nose were releasing clogs I didn't know were there, which likely helped shrink pores. Age spots on my temples are mostly gone. That took over a year. My skin is translucent, the texture is refined, my coloring has become more even. My razor glides over my skin quite effortlessly, and after a shave, my skin feels so smooth and so soft that I literally can't believe it's my skin. Little invisible subsurface needle-sized bumps, congested pores, released their debris and were easily washed away with the scrub as well. The texture was better and shaving became even easier. The blade simply glided across the surface, getting all the hairs in one pass. Discolorations that I had accepted as being permanent are either gone or so significantly diminished that they are easily overlooked or discreetly hidden with the tiniest dab of skin-matching concealer. Number 3. CAROTÍS Brightening Gel. Tired of dark spots? Our brightening gel is here to help you achieve a more even skin tone. This powerful formula works on various areas like your face, armpits, knees, feet, and hands. Infused with nourishing carrot oil, it gently works to lighten and revitalize your skin. It also contains alpha-arbutin, a key ingredient known for its skin brightening properties. Experience the confidence of visibly brighter and more radiant skin all over your body. This gel is designed to be effective yet gentle, suitable for all your skin concerns. What we like. This brightening gel targets stubborn dark spots effectively. If you need to even out skin tone on your face, armpits, knees, or feet, this is a fantastic choice. Its unique formula is perfect for localized treatment and overall skin tone enhancement. What people say. The first time I got it, I got amazing results. It gave me glass skin, but after my second purchase it was very drying and I thought it was because it was a bad batch. But you're supposed to use it in moderation once or twice a day. I thought me using it more would speed up the process, but it made my skin so dry. But I tried again and it's the same as first time. Amazing results. I used this and Caro white lotion and it's lightened my neck, armpits, and inner thighs in a month. I saw results after 2 weeks. I was shocked this morning to wake up and see something. I paired it with their CAROTÍS soap. I think that's why it worked so fast rather than using the gel alone. I do 2 lathers of the soap and 1 coating of the gel. This is just after a couple hours overnight. Number 2. Tree of Life Beauty Facial Skin Care Trio Power Kit. Discover the secret to a firmer, more hydrated complexion. This powerful trio is designed to revitalize your skin, leaving it looking and feeling its best. Experience the combined might of vitamin C and retinol. These potent ingredients work together to combat signs of aging and promote a youthful glow. Quench your skin's thirst with hyaluronic acid. It delivers intense moisture, plumping fine lines and ensuring a supple, dewy finish. Rest assured, this set has been dermatologist tested. It's formulated to be effective yet gentle on your skin. This convenient 3-count kit provides everything you need for a complete facial skincare routine. Achieve a healthy, vibrant complexion with ease. See a noticeable difference in your skin's firmness and hydration. Embrace a more radiant you with this expertly crafted skincare set. What we like. This set offers a comprehensive skincare routine for firming and hydration. If you're looking for a complete solution for dry skin and want to achieve a more youthful appearance, this trio is ideal. It's perfect for those who appreciate dermatologist-tested products for reliable results. What people say. The combination of vitamin C serum and niacinamide serum has visibly improved her skin's hydration and texture, leaving it radiant and healthy. The serum's lightweight and non-greasy formula make it easy to incorporate into her daily skincare routine. The vitamin C serum adds a brightening effect, reducing the appearance of dark spots and giving her skin a revitalized glow. Number 1. TruSkin Vitamin C Face Wash Cleanser. Experience a gentle yet effective cleanse with our Vitamin C Face Washington. It's designed to wash away impurities without stripping your skin. Infused with vitamin C and E, this cleanser works to brighten your complexion. You'll feel refreshed and revitalized after every use. We've enriched this formula with rosehip oil, aloe vera, and MSM. These ingredients work together to nourish and support your skin's natural radiance. This facial cleanser is formulated to support radiant and healthy-looking skin. It gently cleanses while promoting a vibrant glow. Make it a part of your daily routine for consistently bright and refreshed skin. It's the perfect first step towards a luminous complexion. What we like. This face wash is designed to gently cleanse and refresh your skin. If you want a cleanser that brightens and supports radiant skin without stripping it, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for those who like a refreshing cleanse with added skin-loving ingredients. What people say. The cream is very effective in lightening dark spots and evening out skin tone. It absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving a greasy residue. Users have reported a noticeable improvement in skin texture and radiance within a few weeks of consistent use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.